Attention. Video in process. Please wait. Video complete. Enjoy the show.
Welcome to the Patagonia train station. How can I help you? We are going to the Yosemite National Park. Okay. The tickets will be $39.99. Here you go. Thank you. Here's your tickets, and the train will be here in 30 minutes. Hope you have a nice trip.
I wonder when the train will come.
Don't worry, Caillou. The train will be here shortly.
Dad, when will the train arrive?
The honk said the train will be here in 30 minutes.
No. Not another long minute. Why do we have to be patient all the time?
Rosie, seriously. You think it would arrive in a few seconds? Well, it's single quote that's not gonna happen, young lady. You need to be on your best behavior during the trip. I will give you 7 strikes. If you get all of them, you will be grounded. "30 minutes later. Oh look. The train's here.
Ugh, finally.
Hey Dad. What do we do during the ride?
You can play on your tablets, but not too long, or else you'll get sick.
Okay. I'm going to play Minecraft Pocket Edition.
Can I go to your world too?
No, Rosie. I will be going to my private world, and no one is allowed to get in.
But I want to play with you in your world now.
Rosie, I told you you can't play with me on my private world. Now stop complaining about it. Attention. Beware of glitches. Leave a comment below if you see the body glitch somewhere in this video. Thank you. Show back on.
What is going on over here?
I am trying to tell Rosie that she can't play with me on my private world in Minecraft, but she just wouldn't listen.
Rosie, tell me about what you were trying to do.
I wanted to play with Caillou on his world, but he wouldn't let me.
Well, if he tells you no, that means never go to his world. You have got your first strike. If you get 6 more, you're grounded. A few hours later.
Let's watch TV. I'm so tired.
Me too. Looks like it's time to go to bed.
Chris? What just happened to your voice?
Oh, what? Oh, I'm just trying out new voices. Like, recording voices. Yeah.
Ah, okay. I just want to know. Nah, not that. Next one.
Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. That's me.
Congratulations! You found all 7 notebooks. Now all you need to do is... Now while you still can!
No, not that. Too horrifying. Next one. Coming up next is a show starring a man with a green long-sleeved shirt, and his name is Boris.
I am just a man. Each day I work some more. I like my children, I'm Boris. Yeah. There's a lot of things to do. Each day some old and new. I'll share stories, I'm Boris. Yeah. Boris. Yeah, Boris. That's me.
Oh my god! I can't believe Rosie made a show about Dad. I'm going to see the episode that is playing right now in this show.
Okay, class. Today we will do history. Take out your history books.
Oh no, I forgot my history book.
It's okay, Boris. You can call either your mom or dad to pick up your history book.
But both of my parents are at work.
Well, sorry. Don't know what to tell you.
Boris, where is your history book? Everyone else have taken out theirs.
Sorry, Mr. Jack. I just forgot it.
What?
I said I forgot it.
Oh my god, Boris. How many times do you have to forget to bring required school stuff? You are responsible for your stuff. Go to the principal's office right now.
After Boris got to the principal's office, he got suspended and went home. And once his mom got home,
Boris, I can't believe you got suspended for leaving your history book home. That's it. You are grounded for 3 weeks. Go to your room now.
and it shows Dad getting grounded. Dad, get over here.
What's wrong, Caillou?
You won't believe it when I tell it to you.
Okay.
Rosie made a grounded series out of you.
Rosie, get over here right now.
What's wrong, Dad? And why are you mad?
I was told you made a grounded series out of me. Is this true?
Okay, it was me who made a grounded series out of you just now.
Rosie, how could you? I can't believe you made a grounded series out of me. That's it. You got your second strike. 5 more and you're grounded.
30 minutes later.
Okay, kids. It's night time, so it's time for bed. Good night, Caillou. We'll see you in the morning.
Good night, Mom.
What, Mom? Why are you mad? I am giving you another chance. You need to be on your best behavior by tomorrow. Remember, you have 5 strikes left. All of them, and you were grounded. Understand? Yes, Mom. I understand.
Meanwhile,
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe/follow, and turn on YouTube notifications to be notified from us. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for part 2 of this episode, and we'll see you next time.